Some trains are taken in the night and are usually derailed by silly trucks. But the Great Western takes this problem very seriously, as they shunt their cars very hard. "Go on now," Doc would say. Go on. Sometimes Doc always shunts the cars hard and makes them pay. No, you don't. "We'll get back at you," they said. "Yeah, sure you will. Oh, sure you will." "Oh, sure you will. Oh, sure you will." He didn't know that they would. Oh, wait, they would. As in from the other clip, when Ryan was shown, they were getting bumped about and his car's derailed. Duck wasn't aware of this, so he just kept puffing on as if nothing had happened. The cars didn't want to go on, but Duck had to force them. "Go on!" Till their brakes are broken, causing Duck's brakes to snap. They were going at their full speed, and they couldn't stop. "We can't stop you now," they said. Ryan was just up ahead. While Ryan's driver was still checking him over, Duck was still charging at them. Once the cars had surged into Ryan, they went crashing. Oh! The crash was very severe, as luckily no one was hurt. The guard jumped clear, and Duck was left dazed in surprise. He was very sad, down in the dumps. Hopefully, he'll learn next time. Don't you think? Oh, hey guys. I hope you guys have the happiest of holidays. I can't wait till the soda ball drops. James and Stanley and them will be there. Well, see you guys later.